trade to make a living, it becomes so difficult. If you trade to make an income month end, it becomes so difficult. This is why we tend to see people start doing account management, start selling signals, selling all these other things to supplement that, right? And I always say this to people, is that trading is not, we must understand what trading is, right? It's an investment tool, right? It's not an income generator tool.
Warren Buffett was once told in the '08 crash, "Mr. Buffett, you've lost $10 million today." Do you know what he said? He said, "I haven't lost anything. I haven't sold." Me and Buffett have the same mindset. I'm tens of thousands in loss on my Euro USD trades, but I haven't lost anything because I haven't closed the trade. No stop loss. We share that mindset, and inshallah, the markets will turn around and I will be profitable. That's the problem with these traders nowadays. Stop losses, closing their trades. Don't close, don't lose.
Exactly.
What is a Palm account in Forex? A Palm simply means percent allocation money management. Account is a smart and hands-free way to earn from Forex trading without trading by yourself. Here's how it works. A professional trader, the manager, opens a Palm account with a Forex broker and starts trading with their own money. Investors like you open your trading account with the same broker that the manager used, fund it and link your funded account to the manager account without handing over your hard-earned money to the manager directly. The manager trades with their money and the system automatically copies those same trades to your investment. When the manager makes a profit, you also earn a profit, minus a small agreed fee, usually around 30%, paid to the manager. Note that the manager does not have direct access to the investor's money. The manager trades using their own funds, while the exchange bot repeats the same transactions for the investor's funds. Example, the manager invests $300, and you invest $200 equals $500 total. After successful trading, the account grows by 200% to $1,500. You now have $600. The manager gets a 30% fee from your $400 profit equals $120. Your final gain, $480. The manager earned $1,020. It's that simple. You keep control of your funds, and you earn based on the manager's skills. At Forex Algotech, we are your #1 trusted Palm account manager. We strongly believe in results, as you can see on our screen over the last 1 year. Join our Palm Partnership community today for free and start earning from the financial world. Get back to whoever shared this video with you, and get started today with us. Thank you for watching.
When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art. But don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think that game will be so easy. Such business is as cruel as the rest. Don't let your wins just make your head be dizzy. If stay and trade, result will be the best. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your mission. Forex is my life. Forex is my life. Some time will pass and you will see the trading is not so hard for those who they're long. There's always one whose help is there waiting. And finally, you'll keep your profits strong. I know that every single day you can begin the competition. Get profit with your every trade. Just know that Forex is your
be honest with every one of us, there's nothing new we want to learn on this platform. If you are the kind of person that you have been following me since last year, we don't have anything to learn anymore. We just have to be polish what we have learned in the past, and like we are practicing things every day or every time that we have the classes. Okay. Well, tonight I just want to quickly say two things before we started, especially to those people that are in our free class. Two things happen, and I think, I don't know, maybe two of them will be in the group tonight, will be in the class tonight, because I really invite them to join us tonight. Guys, because you are in a free group doesn't mean that you cannot do the right thing. What do I mean by that? Sorry, please. There are two people that have contacted me in the group, in the free group. Even let me say 4 people. And all the 4 of them said the same thing. And out of the 4 of them, 3 of them are Nigerian, and 1 person is a South African. I don't have a problem about what they are doing, but I just believe that when you belong to a particular group and you are benefiting from that group, it's a free group. But anytime you want to do classes, I make sure I invited everybody. We have a premium group, which is a what do you call it? Axi group. Axi group is my premium group. These are the group I'm supposed to focus on mostly. Then there's another group that I need to create, which I'm going to tell us in the class tonight. Those are the people that they bought the software, they are using the software, but they don't have Axi account. I think I didn't do justice by not create their own group for them, so that I can give them services they deserve properly. Okay. So these 4 people, what they do that is unique is that they are in the group, they come to my class, they don't pay for it, which I don't have a problem. Everything is not money. Everything doesn't translate to money, let me put it that way. But what happens is that when they don't want to buy robots, they will go and buy a robot from somebody outside. They will be using the knowledge we are sharing in the group. And when they have problem, they rush back to me and they said, I'm in your group. Please help me. I'm having problem. Then when I ask them, if you have been looking at the way I do my things, I normally said, okay, give me your TradView, share your account with me, and let us work on it. Then I would realize that they bought the robot from third party outside my group. They came to my group to tap my knowledge. And I don't know how God does this. They will eventually get stuck along the way. They will eventually need me, and everything will expose to me. You see, guys, we need to be honest with whatever platform we are. We just need to be honest. I work more than the money you paid me. That alone should show you that I'm not after your money. The only thing is I'm selling my time. I mean, my time is very important to me. For you to pay $200 for 12 months, divide it and see how much you are paying me every month. After the class, just take a calculator, divide $200, and some people bought it $150. Divide that $200, how much you bought it, divide it by 12 months. You are paying me less than $20 per month. And when people are talking about those boys in Nigeria, those small boys that are using 30 million car, 40 million car, that they don't even care. Maybe you succeed in your life, all they want is your money. People appreciate those guys far better than a place where they are getting the skill and the future. So it's becoming something I'm asking myself a question. Am I doing the right way? Why can't I make the profit, I mean the price of this software to be more? I can sell my software $1,000. I don't want to care who can afford it or who cannot afford it. The funniest part is that I've rendered helps to some people several times. And whenever they want to buy the robot, they will go and buy the robot from somebody that is showing them that their robot is giving them 30%, 40% per month. And when they get stuck, those people that sold that software to them are not available. They will still come back to me. And because I'm a woman, when I see somebody like $1,000, $2,000 is going towards zero, I won't be able to hold it. At the end of the day, I was okay, let me just help for helping sake. When I did it for the first person, the second person, I did it for the third person yesterday, then I started asking myself, can I save the world? My time is what I see as my own money that I used to take care of myself and take care of my family. Please, guys, I'm not forcing anyone to buy the software. But once you go out there to buy software from people that tell you that you can buy a Lamborghini with their software by depositing $1,000, when you have problem, don't call me anymore. The last person is the person I have attended to yesterday. And I don't see me as wicked. The other person that is a South African, I really love the guy. I won't lie to you, because he did something unique. This person said he saw my class on YouTube. He never know me. He never talked to me. He didn't even know that I have a group. But anytime I drop a video, he makes sure he watch everything. He makes sure he watch everything. Now, the guy called me 2 weeks ago and said, sir, God will bless you. He started, praying for me. I said, what have I done? Sir, did I know you? Where did we know? He said, no, we didn't know each other. He's calling me for the first time because of my YouTube channel. I put my contact number there. That he just want to thank me that I've given him a very valuable information, and he has been using the information, and because of me, he knows a company called Axie. He has funded his account. And I said, you didn't come to my class. He said, yes. And whatever, you didn't buy my robot. Say yes. I said, then how do you survive all this? He said, no, that's in my class, in my YouTube, I don't hide anything. That even ever since he has been on YouTube, it's my YouTube that he normally see that somebody trade real money. And since that time, he has been following me since last year. Now, when he called me again last week, the person has passed to seed level. Seed, he has never come to this class. He's just watching the YouTube only. Then he now told me that now he wants to buy the software. And I was laughing that you really tried. Meanwhile, many of us on this platform, when I drop the video, you don't watch. The only thing is, Mr. Valari, please, I need help, one-on-one. I'm going to stop this abuse. I'm going to stop it. the video people are watching to move from personal account to seed on Axie. Then you that you come to my class every day, you don't watch that video. The only thing is, Mr. Folarin, please, sir and madam in the group, I talk to more than 10 people per day. I don't even have my life anymore. Before I started all these things, I am the kind of person that I program my time. I wake up 10 o'clock. If you are the person that normally call me in the morning, you know my schedule. I wake up 10 o'clock in the morning. 2 p.m., 3 p.m., I go back to bed and sleep. I wake up 6 p.m. When it is 9, 10, I go back to bed. I woke up 12 o'clock to start coding. I can't do all those things anymore because I have this group. And I believe, so far somebody has already bought my software, I have to give them audience. And this audience is killing me. Then among us, we see people who doesn't buy the software, that they are just here in this group. I think I need to terminate that public group. I will terminate it. So I'll face those people that really value what I'm doing. I will terminate the group. I will create another fresh group. I will run another advert there, because I don't know the reason why some of us are so wicked. You come to somebody's class, you get all the knowledge, but whenever you want to buy the software, you want to buy it outside. Then when you buy the software outside, you still come back and meet the person, please, I'm dying. And once I see their money going, I can't hold it for them to lose that money. I will start a class with them. I want all this to stop. I don't want people to see me as a wicked person or whatever. That's why I said, no, this class, tonight, I have to say it's what I'm going through in the hand of our people. And the most corny people I've ever met in my life is Nigerians. I'm a Nigerian, but I'm not corny. I'm always straightforward. All the 3 people I'm talking about are Nigerians. Though 3 of them have already bought the software, but that's not the way. And they bought it with the conscience, because I didn't ask them to buy, but I solved their problem. But they eventually said, okay, let me just buy. But that doesn't, I don't value that buying. I just feel like, okay, I've done what I need to do. It's not good. You see, let me tell you one thing. Blessing comes from people that are straight. I enjoy what I'm doing without or with money. I enjoy it. I love it. Because the more I'm attending to more people, the more I'm growing, the more God is blessing me. But at the same time, I don't supposed to be stupid. You know, look stupid to some people, taking me for a ride, or thinking that I'm, with my age, you know, when somebody and these young people come to you and they are playing with your intelligence, you know, it's very, very painful. It's very, very painful. So I will just say that tonight. Please, guys, we just need to, you know, to make sure that all of us are in harmony. I gave you all my best, my time, my everything. I don't believe that some people will still have the mind of doing that. Yeah, that's the first thing, because I'll forget after this class. The second thing we need to do tonight is that I've realized that since we started using the limited edition software, I realized that majority of people are dropping their original automated and they are moving to limited edition. And that gave me the what will I put it? It gave me some I don't know the English. But now I want to focus on it, and most of the people that are using it, when they call me for assistance, I realize that they don't even understand how that software works. So we are going to talk about it tonight, and I'm going to repeat myself, and I'm going to do some arithmetics on that software, and I want everybody to just key into it. Actually, it's a software that is giving many people profit for the past 3 weeks. going to a month, we launch it. And I supported it with Signal. Actually, I don't send the Signal to the public group. I don't send the Signal to the public group, but I send Signal to the premium people that are trading Axie. And people have been telling me that they have never regretted moving to the limited edition, and many of them appreciate the additional service of sending the Signal. As of tonight, if I don't make a mistake, I've sent between 25 to 30 signals, and it's only 2 signals that is running tonight that's still hanging. Out of 25, I think 23 signals hit profit because of the limited edition EA that is managing it. I've seen people that they told me that is one of their best. People do 14%, 5%, 6%, 8% with the software. So I want to focus on it, and I want people to understand the software properly. So that is where we are going to start from tonight. Please, can you help me with my pen? Please, pen. So before we go there are 2 of our members that send me the screenshot of their account. We are going to deliberate on that account first. Then I'll go to the second phase of sorry. I need to share the whiteboard like we normally do. I think okay, whiteboard. So okay, please, if you see my whiteboard, just let me know that you see the whiteboard, guys. Please, if you see the whiteboard.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we saw the whiteboard. Okay, then I will put the first graph, and I want to ask all of us, how do you think we're going to trade that account? I think there's the first one now. Because I just like a practical class, because everybody have to be on the same page, So I want to know, how do you think we should trade this? The first one will be a chart. Please, just raise up your hand to let us see how we're going to solve this problem. If you have any idea. Yeah, this is the first chart. If you see it properly, the account has edge. Can somebody tell us what will be the solution? This is the situation of this account tonight, and we want to prepare this account for what will happen next week. Can somebody help us how to trade this account? Anybody in the house? Anybody, please? Because now, if every one of us has seen the screen, I want to see, how do you think the owner of this account, what do you think the owner of this account should do tonight before he goes to bed to prepare for next week? Anybody? Anyone? Mr. Samuel Oyekola, please, can you help us?
Good evening, sir.
Evening, sir. Welcome.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Actually, I need to check if the account is edged.
The account has edge because you can see the picture. Let me put some. Let me put some. This is buy. Oh, sorry. I'm coming.
Okay, sir.
Let me put more insight to it. This is buy 0.09. Oh, sure. This thing has started this nonsense. Not why. Okay, I'm coming, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This is 0.09 buy. And we have another one here. 0.09 sell. So how do you think this person should prepare this account for next week?
Okay, for next week, sir, what I will advise is that the buy and
Yeah.
the sell,
Mm-hmm.
they should first of all, the buy should have a take profit close
All
to
right.
that demand zone, or is it supply zone now? I call it
All right.
resistance actually.
Okay.
Okay, close to that resistance, there should be a take profit. Then the person should now guide it at the top with a buy stop as well in case it's passed through that particular zone. And for the sell, well, potentially we can see that the market might actually look like it's going to push up, though it is not 100% sure. It's just like a probability case. So for
Okay.
the sell, although if I was the one, I'm going to put a pending sell order under
Okay.
that zone at the top, under that resistance zone. I'm going to just put like 0.1 in case the market reach that place and turn back. So it will not just leave the market open, it will be coming back with 0.1. But I will still use that leg to support it at the top. So now what is going to happen is that if I use a pending order of sell limits at that place, it will now be 0.10.
Okay.
Then if I'm going to edge my buy at the top of that resistance zone, it's now going to be 0.10 instead of 0.9. So
Thank you.
that's what I'm going to use for preparation for next week.
Thank you, sir. I really appreciate you. Who else want to try? Who else want to challenge Mr. Samuel Oyekola? Okay. If there's no one, what Mr. Samuel Oyekola said is 100% perfect. I've solved this problem for our member. I've solved the problem for him, but it's the same thing that Mr. Oyekola said, which I'm going to put on the screen. The only thing that Mr. Oyekola added was that you have to put, for market not to run free, you want to put sell stop on the demand zone. On this, on this demand zone. Sorry, okay. What is it? On this demand zone, you want to put 0.01 here. Then on this account, on this trade that is running, this buy, you want to put take profit here. And because he has put 0.01 here, if you look at the sell stop and the sell that is running, 0.01 plus 0.09 will give us 0.10. So that is why you want to put a buy stop 0.10 here. Yeah, this is all also okay. That's why I even said I have to discuss this in the class, okay? But when I did this problem, when I solved this problem for for our member that has this issue, I didn't do this for him. My advice, I'm going to paste it here so that you see that I'm not lying to you guys. What I said you should do in preparation for next week is to put take profit here, which is 0.09 take profit, and put another buy stop here, should be in case this zone is violated. Okay, should be in case that zone became violated. You should just put 0 point. I mean, you should not put TP. I mean, buy stop on top, then take profit for this. So I think this is the solution for this. So I'm going to put my own solution on the screen for every one of us to see also, so that we see that we are on the same page. Just give me 1 minute to paste it, and you will see what I asked him to do also. Oh. Excuse me. For it. Copy. Paste. Now, delete. What is going on? I'm coming, guys. Okay, let me do this. All right. So let's make it bigger also. Did you see my screen, guys? If you see my screen, just let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because you know me, I like annotation when I'm analyzing the graph. If you look at what I said here, I said create TP for this trade below above supply zone, which is this red, which is this red, which is this line. This is my take profit. And I said put buy stop above the supply zone for next week, which is here. And I said TP here, take profit should be here. And for this trade, we are going to counter it to be, what do we call it here? Buy stop on top of here. But what Mr. Oyekola added was that he should put sell stop here. What? Why is he saying that? Is because should be in case market come down on Monday, it will eat this, so it's going to pick that sell. No. Sell stop should not be here. It should be you can't sell into demand zone. I think it put sell stop.
Sorry, sir. Can I come in, sir?
Come in, Mr. Oyekola.
All right, sir. I said, you know, the market is going up. So I'm thinking potentially like when the market reach up, in case it's coming down, I'll put a sell limit at that resistance zone at the top.
Oh, okay. The resistance zone where you put the stop loss. I mean, you put the take profit and sell stop, both of them.
Yeah. Exactly. Both of them. I'll put them there. Yes, sir.
Okay. I think the owner of this account should just do as well. This will be additional benefit for you. But if it doesn't hold, then it will be additional, it will cost you additional money. That means you're going to use 0.01, I mean 0.010A. I think this makes sense to me also. What Mr. Oyekola said make a lot of sense to me. That means you want to use one stone to kill two birds. You use one stone to kill two birds. Let me erase all this nonsense. And so here we have already put our take profit here. So Mr. Oyekola said you can put a sell stop here also. No, it won't be sell stop, it will be sell limit, because now
Sell limit. Yes.
the price
sell
is
limit.
here. So this place will be sell limit. You put sell limit of 0.01 here. The reason is
Yes.
that you can see that if you look at this trade very well, you can see that when you get to this supply zone, you can see that it drop. It get to this supply zone, it drop. So Mr. Yokola is looking at the possibility that it's going to repeat the same thing and drop again here. And drop again here. If it drop, that's why we want to put sell limit here of 0.01. So instead for the market to be coming down without any profit, the market will be coming with 0.01 profit. So, but should be in case you pick that 0.01 and close your profits here, and it broke the zone, then that is shit. It broke the zone. That is why it's advising us to put buy stop of. It's like this thing has terminated. Though. You are not seeing my screen again.
Yeah, it's not showing again.
This thing have started though. You have okay. Now is it showing now?
It's
Yeah.
coming up. Yes, it's showing now.
Okay.
Yes.
So on top now, yeah, that is why you have to put 0.10. I think the owner of this account is in the house. Please, this is the second option is far better than the option I gave you. The advantage and disadvantage, like you know, that anytime I have a personal training with you, I normally tell you advantage and I will tell you disadvantage. What is the advantage of this? Advantage is that if market got to this level and pull back with your 0.01, it's not coming down with empty, no profit, no loss. That 0.01 will be giving you profit as it will get to a place where you keep that profit. Okay. That is a very good advantage. What is the disadvantage of it? If market now enter, pick that sell stop, and your loss size will increase to 0.10, and between this place and this place, this distance, that means you are going to accumulate more floats, and your equity is going to suffer more loss before you get to edge level. But as we know, if you know how to do what we are talking about now is called price zone management. So as you manage it properly and the market edge, you are secure again. You continue with your journey of managing the price zone until you overcome the edge again. So this is where we are going to stop on this one. This is a final solution on this account. So let's go to the second account. And how are we going to fix it? The second account now is for let me look for this account. Just please pardon me. I'm looking for the account. I need to. Oh. Okay, coming, and it's not been long that the person sent me the. the data. I'm sorry, I'm looking for it. Let me just get, because it's very important aspect also. We need to treat all those kind of practical class. I don't joke with it. Okay, I saw it. I don't joke with it. It's something that we need to work on. Copy. And here, paste. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is the account. Can someone tell me what is the solution to this account? What do you think we should do? Anyone? I think I did. I think I've not overstretched it so that you can see properly. Oh, I've overstretched it. Okay, I'm coming. Sorry. Okay, can somebody help me? What do you think we can do? The owner of this account is in the class. What is the way to solve the problem? Anybody? Just raise up your hand. Mr. Natawara.
Yes, sir.
Bàbá mo wà ní class di mi ṣe ní ti ṣe ẹjọ́ ẹ wo kóòdù ẹ tí ó bá ti expire send mi máa send immediately ẹjọ́ má bínú.
No, ẹ má wọrí èké tí mo ti ń tẹ́sì nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ tẹ́sì lórí sábà mi.
All right, okay. Thank you, sir. Mr. Natal.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what do you think we can do? Let's say this is your account. You open your mobile phone, you saw your account like this. What do you think we can do?
So first of all, I think we first need to manage the money, the proper account management, the proper stop loss, and proper execution of trades.
Yeah. Mr. Natalia, I want to ask you something.
Yes.
When did you join our group? Because you said something now that caught my attention to ask the question. I'm so sorry, sir.
Oh, you asked me why did I join the group?
Yes, sir.
Just for the learning purposes.
Yes, sir.
Trading.
Okay. If it's not comfortable for you, because you said stop loss, we don't use stop loss in our trades, sir.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because that's exactly what puts my attention towards you.
Oh,
that
okay.
picnic. Yeah, I don't mean harm to ask you. Many people
No,
join.
I got it.
Yeah, many people join and they go out. They join because some people join us because they thought we give signals. So when they be in the group for a couple of days, they don't see any signal. They go out. So many people join us like that. We don't use stop loss. We are edge traders.
Okay.
Many people doesn't understand how edge works. So yeah, they get confused. I've been trading for 25 years, and I blew account last 16 years ago. For the past 16 years, I've been making profit in the market, and I trade conservatively, but I'm an edge trader. We don't use stop loss.
Of course, so, there's no stop loss when you're doing hedging. I got it. My bad.
So yeah, no. It's good because we all of us are learning here. You can see one of my students. He added more solution to solution I've already given someone. So I believe on the platform like this, there's no boss. Everybody is a student. You know, some people, they even think more than the tutor. So if the tutor is not too arrogant, he would learn one or two from the student as well. So I don't, you don't do anything that is wrong. Yeah, but the stop loss make me feel like you just join us.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah. So let's see people who have been trading with our robot for the past 1 year. Let's see the contribution. Then from there you will be able to learn one or two. And there's avenue for you to ask questions after the class so that you start adopting to edging. Because the reason why I will advise you, Mr. Natar, is that edging is what bank use. That is why you will never see any bank that say they bankrupted because they are trading Forex. But the retail trader doesn't edge, we use stop loss. And that's why at the end of the day, no matter how smart you are as a retail trader, you are still going to blow the money because stop loss will give you time to blow it bit by bit. That's why they said we should be using stop loss. No bank and hedge fund manager use stop loss.
Got it.
Yeah, okay. So can somebody else come in to help us? Can somebody else come in to help us? Mr. Samuel Oyekola, what do you think we should do if this is your account?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So actually, I like to talk so to know more. That's why I always talk, sir.
I know some people know even more than me and you, but they don't like to talk. Not all of us are talkative. But in as much we are talkative, we are not talking nonsense. Yeah, because some people are talkative, they talk nonsense every time. But we are doing our own talkative to learn how things go. Yeah. So Mr. Samuel, can you tell us what to do? If this is your account, you open your mobile phone and you saw your trade look like this, what do you think you can do?
Okay, actually I've been looking at it as well. Although the AUD card, the legs are balanced.
100% balanced?
Exactly. And as I'm looking at it, the sell leg that is 0.06 is the only one that is on profit. I can't, if I'm the one, I'm not going to close it. I'm still going to leave it to probably be going on the sell side. For that AUD card, I'll leave it. Personally, for me, I'll leave it. And USD CHF, I will leave it as well because it has not initiated the edge leg.
No, it has initiated the edge leg. If you carefully look down, you will see a pending order there, which is a sell stop. If you carefully look down.
Yes, for USD CHF, there's a sell stop at the bottom. Yes, I will leave it. Yes.
Yeah. Can you tell me the reason why you are going to leave AUD card? Because that AUD card is where I'm looking for answer.
For answer. Okay. Okay. The reason why I'm going to leave it is because, you know, that sell that is 0.06 that is in profit, if I close it, I will have to partial close 0.14 of buy.
Thank you, sir.
I will have to partial close 0.14 of buy. Then using edging calculator there, it will tell me what to partial close and what to remain. So that's another thing I can do.
You can do.
Place.
Okay.
Yes.
And let me tell you, what you said is absolutely correct as a trader that is trading edging. But when you look at what you did, what can you call it in our terminology, trading terminology in the class?
Oh, that's trimming.
Trimming? Okay. What kind of trimming did you think you did there? Because of Mr. Natal, that's why, because Mr. Natal is fresh. Yeah, so we can start. What kind of trimming are you using there?
That's last in, first out.
Last in, first out trimming. That's what you apply there. 100% okay.
Yes,
100% okay. But what I'm going to do now is that we are now going to practically put it on our edging calculator and see how it goes. And we can do two applications. Can you tell me, Mr. Oyekola, can you tell me the disadvantage of LIFO, last in, first out?
Well, last in, first out, the disadvantage is that if you take out the last one that just came in, before it will take time before the market will reach up for those one to be in profit. So that's one of the disadvantage of last in first out.
Thank you, sir. I know, Mr. Yokola, I normally enjoy you. I know you very, very well. You always, and the reason why I think you are growing faster, you are one of the people that traded without a robot for some time before you get a robot.
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right? Yeah, because
Yes,
I
sir, you are
know.
correct.
Yes. So, because I know you spoke to me that you've been trading with YouTube, and later you came for the robots.
Yes,
So,
sir.
let's try. Why am I? I'm sorry because my audio is repeating itself, and I don't know why. Okay. Now, what I want to do now is for us to look at agent calculator and look at how to plot the what we have said in front of you. Okay. So now let's go to this thing is funny. Did you see my screen?
Yes, sir, it's back. It's back.
No, not yet.
All right, Mr. Natal. It's like we are seeing it.
Oh, we.
Okay, you can see it now, Mr. Natal.
Yeah.
All right. We want to put agent calculator on our screen. The owner of this account is among us, so I think she will be learning. Remember, we want to plot the software. I mean the result. The result on by 0.14. So we have to put 0.14 here. The float is minus 42.16. So we put 42. Let's put 43. I normally approximate against myself. 42. Then we have 7 to apply here. We press enter key. And the calculator said we have to close 0.02. Please, the owner of this account, listen carefully. We are solving your problem in the class, and you have to listen and watch what we are doing with your account. Because if you come back to me with this account, I won't help you. We are doing it publicly in the class now. So the calculator advised us that, okay, we need to close 0.02 from 0.14, and we use the 07. And the way I normally like to trade is that you remember that when we started the edging calculator, I normally key values on the long position, short position. The reason why I stopped using it, though you can use it, everything is still functioning, everything is still working. The reason why I don't use it is because we are doing this when market is active. Market is running with speed. So instead for you to be looking for key in all those information on the long position, short position, what I normally do now is that when the calculator advised me to close 0.02, I'm going to close 0.01. So 0.01 is for my potential profit I want to keep. Okay? So now I'm in this account, I'm going to close 0.01 from 0.14. Okay? So now 0.06 I will close everything. I will close everything. Let me write it down because I'm going to go back to that calculator, because some of us are slow learners, so that we're going to explain what I asked. Okay, let me grab the screen. How will I grab this screen? Okay, let me grab this screen so that we are going to use it to explain, because it will be better for me to explain in the way that all of us will be on the same page, guys. Let me grab it. Okay, so we use what I grabbed on the white screen. So let me explain. Now, what I'm going to do, according to calculator, I have profit of $7.03. I'll just use 7. So that 3 cents is a plus for me, okay? So I'll use 7 to apply. Then on calculator said I must close 0.02. But because I didn't key in the value on short position and long position, because I believe the market is running and is running fast, I don't want to make a mistake. I have made series of mistakes in the past by want to key in all this information. That's why I'm sharing what I'm doing with the class tonight, okay? So now I'll close, instead of closing 0.02, I'm gonna close 0.01. Then the 0.01 became my pure profit. Because remember, anytime you are trimming, you must be keeping unrealistic profit, to be in case at the end of the month you want to do rollover. So I'm going to close 0.01. Then 0.14 will become 0.13, because I close 0.01 from it. So it will become 0.13. Okay? Now that it became 0.13, I will look at this. I will sum all the AUD card that is left together, which is 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 5 will give me 0.13. I will enter 0.05 afresh. The reason why I'm doing that is because I don't want to create a gap. Now, Mr. Yokola, the class, the reason why I'm going to do that I'm going to return 0.05, sell 0.05 afresh, is because if I close 0.07 and I did not return it, the leg will not balance. 1, 2, that gap will be too much from where I close it to minus 9.96. So I'll prefer to close the old 0.06, close 0.01 from 0.14, then that 0.14 will become by 0.13. Then when I add all the cells together, I'm going to get 0.08. I'm going to come to the whiteboard for all of us to see. Don't just worry. I'll come there. So now I'll now return 0.05 cell, so that that 0.05 will quickly cover the gap when markets move towards selling direction in the market. Okay, now let's go to the whiteboard to explain everything, and we'll write something on the board so that it's going to be more clearer to every one of us. Okay, so let me stop what I'm sharing now. Then I want to share our whiteboard. Then I will share this. Okay, so let's go to I'm going to share the what? The whiteboard, okay? Oh, okay, the whiteboard, okay. Are we seeing the whiteboard again? Is our whiteboard visible again?
Yes, it's
Hello?
visible now.
Yes, it
Okay.
is. It is.
Okay, sir. All right. So now let's go and look for our calculator screen. So I want to put two of them beside each other so that, oh my goodness. Today is 15, okay. No. What is going on? I'm coming. Download. Yeah. Right. Copy. Paste. All right. What happened? Undo. Let's make this thing behave like this now. Oh, I want to expand it. Okay. Okay, let me do this. No problem. I will expand it. This is our calculator. You remember? This is what we did over there. I just grab it. So what I want to interpret what we did here now. Remember that on the calculator said we should close 0.02 and we put 7 to apply to the loss. When we apply the 7 to the loss, we are going to close 0.01 from 0.14. That buy will remain 0.13, and we're going to look for a way to replace to balance the edge. So let's go back to the main picture. So this is what we want to do now. Okay, now guys, we close. We are going to delete this according to the calculator. We close everything. From here, we are going to close 0. Sorry. We are going to close 0.01. Remember, calculator said we should close 0.02. But we are going to, I said I will close 0.01. So the other 0.01 will be my pure profit, okay? I'm going to close 0.01 from this 0.14. So now, whatever thing that is left here, we don't know because, we are simulating. But when we close, no, we can even know. Remember, we closed 7. So when we, no. We close 0.01 from this. We don't know the value of what is, but maybe this will be left with something like minus 30 something cent. Okay. Now we have what really matter now is by 0.14 will now become by 0.13. That is where it's very important because we have closed 0.01 from it. .13. Okay. Now, when we add 0.02 plus 0.02, it becomes 0.04. We add another 0.04 to it, it becomes 0.08. So sell will become 0.08. Now, we cannot leave this trade like this. We have to plus this by something so that we have 0.13. You have to plus something to this to become 0.13. Okay? So that the two legs, buy legs and sell legs, will become the same because we are edge trader. We don't use stop loss. Okay? So now, what are we going to add here is 0.05. We are going to buy that one at the market price. No, actually, I don't see this the chart of our students, of our members. If we see the chart, we will know maybe we are not going to buy, we are not going to sell immediately, because we want to know maybe this is very close to supply zone or very close to demand zone. But because we don't know, maybe it's very close to supply zone or demand zone, what are we going to do? We are going to buy it at market price. But if it's close to, this is a sell, if it's close to demand zone, if it's close to demand zone, we are not going to, is this demand zone supposed to be close or supply zone? I think the class you are with me, guys, so that I want to simulate the reason why we can put, because now we put market price, MP, and I want to simulate, maybe we will put pending order, PO, okay? So let's say when we did all this, so we can sell it to demand zone, okay? Yes. If the price is on demand zone, this 0.05, we are not going to enter it immediately. We are going to do PO, pending order, and we are going to put that 0.05 below demand zone. But because I don't see the screen, we don't see the screen of our members. So we are just assuming in this class that we are going to put 0.05 MP market price, and to both leg will be 0.13, 0.13, and we secure the account again. So this is the solution to the second members of our class. You see, there's, like I said, there's nothing new I want to teach in this class anymore. Everything I need to teach is what I've taught. But like I said, I'm trying to do a PDF book that I will put all what we have taught in form of a book, digital book, and send it to the group, so that whenever you want to learn something on your own time, you just download that PDF, and you click and you watch the video how I explain. If you are a paid member that's using my software, you can call me for personal one-on-one explanation, because you've watched the video, maybe one or two places you have a question, you call me. But if you have never commit anything towards me, please don't call me, just watch it and you're okay with that. Okay, so that is how we're going to stop on helping our second member how to solve her problem about our account. Okay, so having said this, I'm going to now move to what we're supposed to do, what I'm supposed to explain on limited edition today. Okay, so before I move there, do we have any question in the house, so that I will not just finish the class on that aspect and shut everybody down? Some people may have one or two questions to ask. Please, if you have questions to ask, please, can you?
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, just wondering, during your explanation, you said people that have not committed anything towards you. I was just wondering what you mean by that, sir.
What I mean by that, did you start the class with us? I'm so sorry to ask the question.
No, not really.
Okay. When we started the class, what I said was that some people are in the free group. They join my classes. They got all the explanation of our classes, and they went to third party to go and buy their software. And when they have problem, they come back to me to come and help them. So if you don't buy my software and you are my class, a free class, you are getting all the knowledge, don't call me when you have a problem. Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
You are trading let me explain myself again. You are trading a live money. You are in my public group. and you come to the class, like we are in the class now, we are doing everything in front of you, then you went and buy your software somewhere else, put it on your live account, and that software want to blow your account, don't call me.
Yeah, that is understandable.
Yeah, because we are, when I started the class, I gave example of 4 people that have done the same thing. Though it's difficult for me to ignore them, I help them. I really help them. I'm not a wicked woman being. I can't see somebody's money burning down and I will ignore it. But I want to stop all this Messiah policy of mine. I want to try to stop it because my advisor told me something. It's good to be a nice person, but don't let people take you to take you as being stupid. You understand? I don't see the reason why you come to my class freely. You get a quality class. As I'm not bragging. Quality class. Go and look at all the mentors online, or go and pay people. I know people that pay 5,000 in US, pay 5,000, 10,000 to go to the Forex class. They don't get this kind of class I'm giving. So I'm giving to you free. Then you go outside to go and buy somebody else's software. Then when you have a problem, you come back to me for help. I will not answer you. That's what I'm saying. Is that clear to you, sir?
Yes, sir.
Good. So do we have any problem, any person to ask question again?
Yes, sir. I just want to ask.
Okay,
For the
Mr.
new-
Nathan.
Yes, sir. Just people like us who are actually brand new to your class.
Okay.
How much is your software sells for, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, it's not a problem. It's for now it's $200 per year. We have $30 per month. We have $200 per year, and we have lifetime license
Support?
for 1 year. I mean, for lifetime, that one is $1,000. And as I'm talking to you in this class, we have 4 people that are using live license because they believe that what they are getting from this platform wants them to have a lifetime relationship with this platform. But it depends on your choice. We have some people that are paying $30 every month, but to me, I normally tell people $30 every month is a penny wise, pounds foolish, because at the end of the year you pay $360, and instead of buying 1 year subscription for $200 for the whole year, and I don't know, it depends on everybody's choices, okay? But that is the 3 plans. That's the 3 plan we have. But when you have, either you subscribe for monthly, you subscribe for 1 year, or you subscribe for lifetime. All the software that is on the platform, you have access to use them for that period of your license activation. I'm not selling one software per something because I don't see sensible thing in that. To be selling one software, when I release another one, I put a price tag. No, I don't do that. When I release another one and you are $30 monthly, when I release another one before that month end, you will have access to that software as well.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
just a quick one more question, if you don't mind me asking.
No problem, sir.
Mhm. So it just has a currency software, or it also comes with the gold signals, or has a gold trades as well?
Currently, like I said, when I started the class, I started signal for the people that are trading something like a prop firm among us, just to elevate them, just to help them more. But now, tonight, I'm going to give opportunity to people who are using the software, but they're not trading a prop firm, to be getting my signal also. But I need to create their own group separately so that we don't match things. So every service that I'm rendering, either you have $30 subscription, you have 200 subscription, you have 1,000 subscription, you have access to all the service in as much as your license is still active. I don't know, maybe I answer your question, sir.
Oh, I was asking that software also comes with the gold analysis, like the hedging part of the gold. We also do hedging in the gold, right?
Yes, my software can trade anything. We don't have special software for gold. You can trade everything you want to trade, in as much you understand the 4 strategy we are using to trade, which is edging, trimming by LIFO, trimming by LIFO, by FIFO, by random, rollover at the end of the month. You can roll over your account if you don't feel comfortable, and you can do what we call price zone management, like what we did tonight. The first class we did, the first image I brought that time is what we call price zone management. The one that is on the screen now is what we call trimming. So we teach all those ideas with the software you are buying.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's also a part of a one-on-one class, or that's a separate thing?
No, once your license is valid, you have access to me for one-on-one.
Mhm. So basically, the software, the whole thing is the software. If we have the software, we have everything, and you as well. Is that right?
Yeah, yes. When you have the software, you have everything, including me. You owe me
Awesome.
during the time your software. Yeah.
That sounds wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Alrighty, you can carry on, please. I'm done with the questions. Thank
All
you.
right. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, now let's go to what we need to talk about, limited edition, for all the people that have been using it and get confused about what we are doing there, or about how to use it properly. Let me delete. Okay. Delete. Oh. All right, let's move to the area of limited edition. And I'm going to ask question. If you remember that our take profit on the software, we have 2 types of take profit. We have the proper take profit, which is always $1.50. I don't want people to do things with fear anymore. So I want to liberate your mind so that you can trade better with your own ideology, with everything. And we have second take profit, which we call emergency take profit, which is equal to 1 cent. Okay. So now somebody asked me during the week that if he increased the lot size, what would be the effect on the account? You increase your lot size, the effect is 2. It will have 2 effects. Effect number 1, depend on your greed. If your account is still in $1.50, you are quickly going to come out of the trade. Okay. The disadvantage of it is that if market move against you, you have increased the risk. But remember that your risk is, as the software is monitored that risk for you, which I'm going to talk about also. Now, before we go further, let's go back to our first class last year and the first class this year. When you have 0.01 lot size, we have 0.1 lot size, and we have 1 lot size. Can somebody tell me equivalent of this lot size in pips? In pips and in money. That's our first class last year, and that's our first class this year. Because this is a foundation that is disturbing a lot of people that ask me a question. Because if you don't understand this foundation, you will still be asking me questions till Jesus Christ come back. So can somebody tell me the value of this lot size in terms of pips and money? Anyone in the house? Please learn to be participating in questioning and answering. It's going to elevate your understanding. Mr. Semo. Mr. Semo. Oh, no. Oh, Mr. Semo.
Okay. Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, sir.
Evening, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. The value of I believe the value of this thing in pips is about 15 pips, if I'm not mistaken.
No. Don't let us talk about limited edition software. Let's talk about principles that govern Forex trading. When you say $1.50, you are going to our own robots. We want to understand the principle, the foundation, understanding of Forex. Then we want to, after we understand that, then we are going to go and apply it to our machine.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
From my understanding, 0.01
yes
is about $0.1 in a standard lot.
Okay. I don't know, maybe you've been answering question before, but whenever you want to answer question, don't answer in a doubting manner. I want people to be confident and assured of what they want to say. When you say it's about, that means you are doubting, you are guessing. But if you say 0.01 is $0.1 a pip, yes, this is the correct answer. You got it right, but you started with doubting statement. And that doubting statement, I don't like it. I want confidence, your assurance that you know what you want to give us in the class. So you got the answer right. When you see a lot size that is 0.01 in a Forex standard translation, where you are trading a standard account of Forex, that means 1 pip is equivalent to 10 cents in the market, and 10 cents is 0.1 anyway. So you got it right, sir, Mr. Simo. Then 0.1, who is going to help us? Mr. Chris Makinde. Mr. Makinde, Chris. Okay, Mr. Samuel Oyikola.
All right, sir. So since 0.1 is $0.1 per pip, then 0.10 will be $1.0 per pip.
No, come again, sir.
0.10 will be 1.0.
No. I don't say 0.10. Now we have this is okay. Let me do this. This is a lot size. Sorry. Oh, okay. This is a lot size. This is a lot. So we are talking about the Mr. Simo has given us answer for this.
Okay.
So we are on this. When you have 0.1 lot size, what does it translate to in pips and money? That's the question.
Okay. That would be 10 pips.
No, Mr. Ekola, no, Samuel, no, you didn't get it right tonight. Mr. Temitope Miracle.
Okay, yes, good evening. If you are using 0.1 lot size,
yeah,
in dollar it will be equivalent to $1.
In pips?
In pips, that should be $1. Sorry, I don't know. I don't know, sir.
Okay. Okay. Mr. Ibewu.
Hello.
Hello, we saying hello, hello. I'm looking at
It's
people that
Godwin.
raise up their hand.
It's Godwin, sir.
Mr. Godwin. Mr. Godwin, you didn't raise up your hand, sir.
Sorry, I didn't. Sorry.
Okay,
Can
Mr.
I
Godwin,
attempt?
let me listen to you, sir. Yeah.
Okay. 0.1 lot size in
Yeah.
pip. It's actually
Yeah.
1 pip. In dollar
Thank you,
is
sir.
$1.
Thank you, sir. That's what I want.
Should I attempt the third one?
No, no, don't attend the third one. You are you are a genius. You don't intimidate us in the class, sir.
Sorry, sir.
So it will be what is going on here? It will be 1 pip is equal to $1. Now, who will give us the third answer? Temitope Miracle Ibeu.
Okay, sir. So the last one, let me attempt it. If you're using
Okay.
one standard lot price, $8, that should be $10, and that should be 10 pips.
Okay. I'll answer the question according to pips and dollar.
Okay, so in pips, that will give
How
you
many
10 pips.
pips? How many dollar?
10 pips, sir.
Okay.
To what $10?
Okay. Okay. Let's try somebody else. Mr. Samuel Oyekola, did you agree with Mr. Ebewu?
No, sir, I do not agree. So it will be 1 pip, $10.
Yes, Mr. Ebewu made a mistake there. It will be 1 pip,
I
$10.
got it now.
So, Mr. Ebewu, you got 1/2, but it's a pass mark. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the foundation of Forex. If you don't understand this, you can never understand money management properly. Your money management will be zero. Because I don't know what you want to use to measure. You want to trade 50 pips. At what risk? You want to take stop loss. At what risk? You want to edge at what level? 3 or 4 people ask me questions during the week. That is why I have to move back to this level. I don't believe people are trading Forex with me, but they don't understand this concept. It's very bad. Because this is like you are at university, but you skip primary school. Then you build your university understanding on what? On the sand, not a solid foundation. So now what we have said here, we want to apply it to our limited edition robot. Okay? Now, this is how it goes. On our robot, we said, I don't know what happened. Okay. On our robot, we said our TP is 1.5. 1.5. Can somebody tell me if your lot size is 0.01? What would be, how many pip with $1.50 will be? If your lot size you are trading on limited edition is 0.01, what will be your pips? How many pips will give you $1.50? Mr. Chris, what is going on? You are coming in and jumping out. Mr. Simo, can you tell us the answer?
15 pips, sir.
15 pips. God will bless you. That means if you start trading with the robot with 0.01, which is 10 cents per pip, if you divide $1.50 by 10 cents, it's going to give you 15. So that means you are going to be waiting for 15 pips before the robot will pick your profit. So simple. So simple. Very clear. Because people that ask me questions during the week, they don't know how to calculate this. And it was so surprising when you have $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 in a forex market, and this simple foundation, you cannot interpret it. You are putting those capital at risk, big risk, because you don't know what you are doing. Okay, let's move on. If you now said your lot is 0.03, how many pips will give you $1.50? Anybody in the house? We spent so much time tonight, but I don't have a choice.
Hello, sir.
Mr. Akitayo Matthew. Mr. Akitayo Matthew.
45 pips.
45 pips. Any other person that can agree with Mr. Hello?
I disagree with him. I think it's
Who is talking? Who is talking?
Godwin, sir.
Mr. Godwin, please learn to raise up your hand.
Oh, sorry, I can't find the. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Mr. Godwin, you said how many pips?
5 pips, sir. 5 pips.
5 pips. Thank you. It's 5 pips. And I'll tell Mr. Akitayo why it's 5 pips. Mr. Akitayo, my question is straight direct to you. Out of 0.01 and 0.02, which one is bigger? And 0.03?
0.01 is bigger.
No, 0.03 is bigger. 0.01 is 10 cents. 0.03 is 30 cents.
30 cents, yes.
So if you divide $1.50 by 30, you are going to get 5 pips. Now, what is the difference between what these two? Let's say this one is trader 1 and this person is trader 2. Trader 2 put more risk in his account, but come out of the trade with 5 pips. Faster than anything. Trader 1 is a very conservative trader, but is going to stay in this market for 15 pips. That's the difference between two of them. Two of them apply money management skill at a different level of understanding. Two of them apply money management skill at a different level of understanding. Okay? Now, let's now do the last one. And somebody will tell me, what is your take? The last one will be, let's say somebody put 0.05 on our robot, which is trader 3 now. How many pips would it take to have 1.5? Can somebody help us? Mr. Kita, are you still raising up your hand, or you didn't drop that hand you raised in the first time? Godwin, okay, Mr. Godwin, I can see you thumb up. You want to talk?
Just 3, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, you can see the funnest part. Let me clean this so that we can interpret the 3 traders properly. Sorry. I want to interpret the 3 of them properly. Mr. David Okorafo, are you in the house? Mr. David Okorafo, trader 3. Mr. David Okorafo is not in the house. Okay. If we look at trader 1, it's highly conservative trader, but you have to wait 15 pips in the market before he takes his own profit. If you look at trader number 2, it's always conservative, but it's going to wait 5 pips in the market before he takes his own profits. Trader number 3 is high risk taker. He just wants to take 3 pips. Now, out of these 3 traders, which trader will go out of the market first?
All things being equal.
Yeah? Mr. Tebitokpe, Miracle Ibewu.
Yeah, the trader that used 0.05.
Good. The trader that use 0.05 will leave the market faster than all of them. But where the problem is, if market goes against him,
Orogo.
is going to be panicking. Is going to be panicking if he's a person that doesn't understand how our robot works. But if he's a person that understands how our robot works, and he didn't go and change the robot risk detector anyhow, if he puts 2.5%, what happened? Is we still hedge at the same 2.5, and is going to trim rollover and do price zone management. What is going up? What's wrong with this thing now? Sorry, guys. This thing is, I think, when Google Meet, and this is a paid Google Meet, we are not using free. When it's, I think when it's tired, it normally misbehave. It's tired now. So you can see. So either you use 0.01, 0.03, 0.05, you are going to get the same answer. But if you ask me with my experience, guys, I don't like to take more than any trade I enter. I don't want more than 25 pips at a time. I don't want more than 25 pips. So if you want to put your trade on 25 pips, you are going inside the robot and change this one to $2.50. Because some people believe that, hey, how can I be trading $5,000 and I'll be trading $1.5 per time per trade? $1.50 per trade. And I have $5,000 in my account. Let me tell you something. It depends on your thinking, depends on your risk taking, depends on everything. There's nothing bad if you take $1.50, 20 times in a month. 20 times in a month. So let's see. Can somebody use calculator to multiply $1.50 times 20? What will it give us? $1.50 times 20.
$30.
Pardon?
$30.
$30. Okay. Please let me load my calculator here. That may not be showing on our class screen. And it can be showing, I don't know. So $30. Okay, now let's say $30 multiplied by 100. Sorry, 100. It will give us $3,000. When we divide it by 5 on 5,000, if you have 5,000 deposit, you are going to make 0.6%. 0.6% of your capital in a month. Okay, now let's say 5,000 multiplied by 0.6%. That means you are going to get, you're going to get $30 on your 5,000 in a month. But some people will say, Mr. Polana, are you mad? Are you crazy? How can I have those kind of money and I'll be making $30 every month? Yes, because the money also not too big. To you, $5,000 is big in Forex market. Forgetting that you are trading with international bank of America, that they are using billions. Now, let's say you are now in Axis Select. Now, you are trading 100,000 multiplied by 0.6%. That month, you're going to do $600, and Axis will give you half of it, divided by 2. That month, you get $300 plus your $30 of your own money. That month, you get $330. But if you are getting $330 consistently, as in every month, you are getting worse. You know, see, you didn't make up to 1% to 0.6, and your money is saved. Your $5,000 is saved. You are not going to be sweating like a Christmas chicken. Your 100,000 you are trading with AXI, you are getting your money. If you multiply this by 12, you always see that I normally do all these calculations so that I can reset your mind. Many people believe that Forex, when you are trading Forex, you want to come and fetch money anyhow. That is why a lot of people blow money, and that's why a lot of people think Forex is a scam. Forex is not a scam. You are the one that getting bad education, and you get a bad education, bad trading education, then you hard grit to it. If you are in South Africa, how much will this one give you? It will give you 68,000 rand for the whole year. If you divide it by 12, this will give you 5,676 per month. Some people are working in South Africa offices that their salary is not up to 5,000 per month. And you have a skill that will make you stay inside your house. You can even be moving around and be getting this. Okay? Now, how much will this one be in Nigeria? If you are in Nigeria, this will give you 454,000 naira every month. If you are in Nigeria, you are living in Nigeria, and your salary is 454. You know what you can get. I'm in Nigeria. I know how much. I know what 454 would do in Nigeria. So why am I always do calculation for all my members? It's because you have to understand how this thing works, so that you don't put pressure on yourself and on your money for broker to take your money. Okay, so let's keep that one like that. If you ask me, Mr. Folarin, I have $500. What loss size can I be using? I will tell you that stick with 0.01, because $500 is very small. And if you are edging, every time, guys, you will be frustrated if you have not get used to all this trimming, what we are doing. Unless you have already get the understanding of trimming rollover by trimming by FIFO, trimming by LIFO. When it's part of your blood, you want to even edge. You want your account to even edge. But during the edging time, you make more money. But it's a work. If you tell me, Mr. Valerie, I'm trading $1,000. Okay, let's finish $500 already first. When you're trading $500, stick your account with 0.01, okay? And don't trade more than 2 assets at a time if I give a signal. If I give a signal, don't trade more than 2 assets at a time. What does that mean? You can trade pounds USD and euro USD, 2 assets at a time. If you have 1,000, you can trade up to 4 assets at a time. If you have about $2,000, $3,000, you can trade as many signal I gave if you are trading at 0.01. But if you are trading at 0.03, 0.05, don't trade more than 1 or 2, no matter your capital is. No matter how much you put in the account. And in the term of pips, if you want to make your, like I said, the maximum pips I will take as my take profit, it must not go beyond 2025. 2025. So if I now say you want to take profit on 25 with 0.01, that means you're going to stay in the market for a very long time, which is not a good thing for you. So if you are trading with 0.01, stay at $1.50. So you know that the maximum loss size you are looking for is 15 pips. But if you have $1,000, $2,000, $1,500, $1,002, you can say you want to get $2.50 per trade. That means you are waiting for 50 pips. But now you are using 0.03. So 50 divided by 3, you are eventually coming back to like we are eventually coming back to 15 to 16 pips to come out of that market. See, I don't know how I'm going to explain this better than the way I'm explaining it. Just sit down and look at this foundation information we gave and start look at what you can do with your money. There's no way I can help everybody because everybody have different capitals. Okay, I can just give you a tip and idea. Okay, so let's say you are trading like $3,000, $4,000. 0.03 to 0.05 is not too much for you. So if you want to get like $5 per trade, $5 per trade, and you are trading what? 0.05. So $5 is how much? $5. Then you are going to use what? 0.05. That means when you are trading 0.05 with $5, you are waiting in the market for almost $5 is 50 cents. 50 cents times 10. That you are going to wait in the market for 10 pips to get $5. So when you put your $5 inside the limited edition and you are using 0.05, is only 10 pips. It will take you to get $5. But if you are using 0.01, you are going to wait in the market for 50 good pips. 50 pips. If you want to get $10 per trade, that means with 0.05, that means you are waiting for 20 pips in the market. 20 pips in the market. So please use this information to adjust the robot. To adjust the robot to your taste. I can't do more than this. I can't do more than this. I can't tell everybody. We are having more than 100 people using the software. All the other people use different deposits. All the other people have different risk appetite. The only thing we can do in the class is to teach people how to calculate their risk. And if you are trading prop firm, make sure that your emergency edge should be 2.5. If you are trading your money, don't go above 5% for your drawdown. By the time you are going 10%, 15%, 20%, you are going to sweat, to trim, to roll over, and to do price zone management. So these are the information I need to give tonight for everyone. And if I will tell you the truth, limited edition software is still the best of the best on our platform. But if you don't have time at all to take the signal to analyze market, please, you can stick with the robot we have first released. It's working fine, it's doing fine. The only thing is sometimes it plays trade at the wrong side. Sometimes, not every time. 85% of the time it plays accurate trade. 15% of the time it picks wrong trade. And wrong trade can make you edge in time. Okay? So what else do I want to say is that please guys, if you are using my robot and you are on this general group, as in general group, please DM me, personal DM me, and I'll add you to a group that I will start giving you a signal starting from next week. Because I need to give you a service for the robots you have purchased also. And signal is part of our service. Like I said, we have given about we're giving about 25 to 30 signal this month and 0 failure with our robots. If our robot is not managing it, some of them will have hit stop loss, so I won't lie to you. But none of us have edge for 30 straight signal. So I think I'm doing injustice with all of you using my software, but you are still in the free group because you are not getting the service. So just message me that you are using the robot and you are in the free group, so that I can now invite you to where I'm going to be sending you a signal going forward. So this is where I'm going to stop my class tonight. If you have a question for 2 minutes, please raise up your hand, ask your question. I just need only 2 persons because we have 2 minutes to become 11 o'clock in South Africa. I want to go and rest. So if 1 person will use 1 minute, I will be fine. If there's no question, then we call it a day. I'm going to wait for 2 minutes before I close the class. Thank you, everyone. Right now, did you raise up your hand? Because we're now.
No,
Right
sir.
now,
Mistakenly,
please.
I've done that, sir.
Pardon?
Mistakenly, I did that, sir.
Okay, what is your question?
So I don't want to ask you any question now. Mistakenly, I've raised my hand, sir.
All right.
Sorry for that.
No problem. We have 1 minute to go.
Any bonanza coming up?
Currently, there's no bonanza. Which group are you from? Who is your admin of your group?
I think you are.
Okay, I will give you 1 month bonanza if you buy. You have 1 month bonanza.
What about
That means
in terms of the money, not the duration?
no, the money cannot come down. The money is going up anytime soon. But if you want to sign up account, now you can get 1 month free. I can do that for you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay, our time is exhausted. I thank you, everyone. I thank you for patient with me. I'm not a trained teacher, so I may not have a good training methodology. Just manage me the way I am. I'm a very aggressive talker in the class. So if I talk to you in a manner that you don't like, please pardon me. That's who I am. I don't want to insult anyone. I don't want to offend anyone, but sometimes it does happen. So thank you, everyone. And until we meet again next week, Tuesday, I will say have a blessed weekend to everyone. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.